Here's how to write notes and search old memories in Fieldy, fast. To create a note, click Start New Note. Now I'm playing a short YouTube video, and Fieldy automatically transcribes everything in real time. Mind Manager is a powerful visual planning tool. Let me show you how it works in under 60 seconds. Sorting, priority, and progress. I've added similar details for due date, and Fieldy automatically transcribes everything in real time. You can pause anytime, scroll through the text, or edit the note. To share or reuse this note, click the Share button at the top. Then paste the link into your browser, and Fieldy shows the full text output instantly. To find old memories, just type a keyword. I'll search for Mind Manager. Fieldy instantly pulls up my previous notes. You can also use the chat panel to get step-by-step explanations or summaries. And that's it.